Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best TV stand universal is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of furniture for any modern living space, offering a sleek and organized solution to house your television and media accessories. This stand is designed to complement a wide range of TV sizes and styles, ensuring a perfect fit for your entertainment setup. It's not just about holding your TV, it's about creating a focal point in your room that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, making your viewing experience more enjoyable and your living area tidier. We'll explore its features, benefits, and why it might be the ideal choice for upgrading your home entertainment. Number 5. PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand Legs PSTVS04N1. This versatile stand is designed to fit most 32 to 60-inch TVs, whether they are flat or curved. It supports a wide range of visa patterns, ensuring compatibility with many brands and models. Find your perfect viewing angle with 6 levels of height adjustment. You can easily customize the height to suit your comfort and the size of your screen. Get your TV set up in just 15 minutes with our simple installation process. All the necessary hardware and a clear instruction manual are included for a hassle-free experience. Built with stability in mind, this stand features a black tempered glass base for added security. It's designed to safely hold your television and other AV equipment. This stand is compatible with popular TV brands like Samsung, Sony, LG, and many others. It provides a stable and stylish solution for your home entertainment system. We stand by our product with friendly customer service and all the standard mounting hardware you need. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help. What we like. This stand offers extensive visa compatibility, ensuring it fits a broad range of TVs. With 6 adjustable height levels, you can find the perfect viewing angle for maximum comfort. If you have a TV with a less common visa pattern or need precise height customization, this is a great choice. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and can hold up to 100 pounds. The cable management system is a great feature, keeping all the wires tidy and out of sight. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my living room. Number 4. WALI Universal TV Stand, TVS001, Black. This versatile stand is designed to support a wide range of TVs, from 22 to 65 inches, and can hold up to 110 pounds. It offers flexible mounting hole compatibility, ensuring a secure fit for your television. Achieve the perfect viewing experience with its multi-adjustable design. It provides 2 levels of height adjustment, allowing you to find the ideal position for your screen. Worry-free placement is guaranteed. The anti-slip and soft pad feet protect your furniture surfaces from scratches, while ensuring stability. Setting it up is a breeze. With clear instructions and all necessary hardware included, you can have your TV mounted safely in just 2 simple steps. Everything you need is in the box. You'll receive the TV stand, a complete mounting hardware kit, and a user manual, backed by our US-based customer support. What we like. This option boasts a higher weight capacity and an exceptionally wide visa range, making it suitable for larger and heavier TVs. The anti-slip feet protect your furniture surfaces. If you're looking for a robust and versatile stand that can accommodate a wide array of TV sizes and weights, this is the one. What people say. The stand has a very sturdy construction and can hold up to 100 pounds. The height is adjustable, allowing for optimal viewing angles. Cable management system keeps wires organized and out of sight. Number 3. Rfiver Universal Swivel TV Stand. This stand is designed to fit most TVs from 27 to 60 inches, supporting a wide range of visa patterns and TV types like LED, OLED, and QLED. Built with heavy-duty steel and a thick tempered glass base, it can hold up to 88 pounds, ensuring a stable and safe setup for your television. Easily adjust the height across 6 levels, from 18.5 to 24.4 inches, to achieve the perfect eye-level viewing angle for any room. With a 30-degree swivel to the left or right, you can effortlessly adjust your viewing angle to reduce glare and neck strain. Keep your entertainment area neat and organized with the integrated cable management system, which hides and organizes all your wires. Setting up this stand is straightforward, with a simple assembly process that can be completed quickly, allowing you to enjoy your new setup sooner. What we like. Experience enhanced viewing flexibility with a 30-degree swivel function, perfect for reducing glare and neck strain. Its stylish tempered glass base adds a modern touch, and integrated cable management keeps your space tidy. If you value optimal viewing angles and a clean aesthetic, this stand is ideal. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my living room. The height is adjustable, which is perfect for my needs. Number 2. Universal Tabletop TV Stand. Tired of your TV being unstable? This universal stand offers a safe and stable solution without needing to drill into your walls. It's designed to hold most TVs from 32 to 60 inches securely. Setting up your new TV stand is a breeze. With our clear instructions and included hardware, you can have it assembled and ready in under 15 minutes. Enjoy a clutter-free setup quickly. Find your ideal viewing angle with ease. This stand features multiple height adjustments, allowing you to position your TV perfectly for any seating arrangement. It ensures a comfortable and optimal viewing experience. Say goodbye to messy cables. Our integrated cable management system keeps your wires organized and out of sight, maintaining a clean and tidy look for your entertainment area. Built with a strong steel pole and a thick tempered glass base, this stand is both durable and safe. It's compatible with a wide range of TV brands, providing a secure and stylish addition to your home theater. This stand is designed to fit most major TV brands, including Samsung, Sony, LG, and more. Its VISA compatibility ensures it can support a wide array of LCD and LED TVs up to 60 inches. What we like. This stand features a robust steel pole and a thick tempered glass base for superior stability without wall drilling. It offers 4 levels of height adjustment and integrated cable management for a clutter-free setup. If you prioritize a sturdy, no-drill solution with good cable organization, consider this option. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. The design is sleek and modern, it looks great in my living room. Assembly was straightforward and took less than an hour. Number 1. Mount Pro Universal Swivel TV Stand Base. Introducing the Mount Pro Universal Swivel TV Stand Base, a versatile solution for your television viewing needs. It's designed to fit a wide range of TV sizes and brands. Easily customize your viewing experience with adjustable height options and a convenient swivel function. Find the perfect angle for any room. Built with stability and safety in mind, this stand features a sturdy steel frame and a tempered glass base. It securely holds your TV, preventing accidental slips. Set up your new TV stand in minutes with our simple, step-by-step instructions and included hardware. No wall drilling required. Enjoy an optimal viewing angle without being restricted by your TV's location. This stand offers flexibility for a better entertainment setup. We provide lifetime technical support for all our products, ensuring you have peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This stand provides extensive adjustability with up to 9 height levels, a 20-degree swivel, and a 5-degree tilt. It's designed for maximum viewing customization and comfort. If you need the most flexibility in positioning your TV to achieve the perfect viewing experience, this stand is a top contender. What people say. This TV stand is very sturdy and well made. It can hold up to 100 pounds, which is great for my large TV. The design of this TV stand is very modern and sleek. It looks great in my living room and complements my decor. Assembly was a breeze. All the parts were clearly labeled and the instructions were easy to follow. I had it put together in under an hour. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.